Angiosperm are basically plants that most of us see as flowering plants. They are only called that way due to the seeds being enclosed in a carpel. The main structure is a root system and a shoot system. So, from bottom to top is the roots, stem, axillary bud, vegetative shoot, which leads to terminal bud, the leaf, which is made of the petiole and the blade. And lastly, leading to the flower is the internode, the node, and the reproductive shoot. And much like zygospores, angiosperms have pollen that is spread out. Sporophytes are the dominant generation, but male and female gametophytes are produced within the flowers of the sporophyte. It's a type of asexual reproduction they go through, for they are provided their own spores for each flower. They are usually spread by pollinators such as hummingbirds and bees. Now, to teach you the birds and the bees of flower reproduction.
More like the flowers and pollinators of angiosperm, the components we are looking at are the stamen, which consists of the filament and the anther, where the pollen is stored, and the carpel, which consists of the stigma, style, and the ovary, which contains the ovule. Actual fertilization occurs when pollen reaches the ovule, which contains endosperm and zygote. Both the ovule and the anther start off as a diploid cell, and through meiosis turn into a haploid cell. That's when they're ready to come together and make a seed. The seed then germinates in the ground and slowly grows into a flower.
Angiosperms are found in both terrestrial and aquatic habitats. For example, sunflowers, magnolias, peas, and maize are all on land, while lotuses, water lilies, marigolds, and dahlias are found in or in around water. Angiosperms can exist in all sorts of climates, such as deserts, forests, Greenlands, and even in very cold climates. Then again, you do have to consider the fact it's not a select few that could survive in these conditions.
There are over 250,000 species of angiosperm that are in 7 categories: herbaceous plants like this Salvia victoria, herb plants like this celery, annual plants like this lantana red spread that you can see in our own campus, biennial plants like this foxglove, perennial plants like this allium, Dactylodonis plants like this white dead needle, and monocotyledonous plants like this red hippeastrum plant.